Hey, you out there. It is that time again for the Beads Venture Charming Venture subscription box that I've been unboxing, and I've basically been hoarding all kinds of charms and pendants. So let's open it. And you see this box arrived perfectly great. This time the postal person didn't, it's got a hair on it. I wonder where that hair came from. Postal person didn't like just go bananas with cramming it into my mailbox. All right, so I keep forgetting to show that they come with a freebie. So you get your, oh, I see something in there. I don't know what that is I'm looking at. All right, so, oh man. These are not my, I'm not really typically into nautical stuff. Is it focusing? I hope it's focusing. It's like really, I need to figure out this lighting. Anyways, so yeah, it's like anchors. The enamel looks really good. It's really even. It's not over on the lip of anything or on top of the anchor on the inside. And again, the backs are pretty nice. I mean, there's like a little bumpy here or there, but a little. They're still great. They're still amazing. All right, so this is the actual subscription box. It comes with a key. Let's grab everything out of there. Okay. So it comes with a key, and let me see. I believe it also has a coupon code. Okay, so we got 11 items in this kit. Please enjoy free shipping with $30 with code next purchase. Okay, so they're always different. I notice these like codes are always different. It's interesting. So it's like with Bargain Bead Box, it's always like the flat 30% code for their sister store. So here we have our items. Sterling silver turquoise charm. Huh. Whale charms, gold vermil connector. That's a $9 charm or connector. Dang. Bezel charms, unicorn charms, twisted stick charms, gold-plated tie charms, silver-plated CZ, cubic zirconia, moon charms, lapis lazuli charm, gold-plated or silver-plated brass pendant, gold-plated or silver-plated brass connector. Okay, so I guess you kind of get like a little grab bag of items. All right, so we got 11 items. At first I thought one of the bags was empty, and I was like, oh no, oh, this is gorgeous. This is the same design, but a different stone of that quartz pendant I got last month. This is lapis lazuli. It's got a lot of pyrite in it. Sodalite. Oh, it's beautiful. It's really gorgeous lapis. I guess you can see this better once I upload it on the computer, but when I'm looking at it on my camera screen, it's so dark, and so I'm always having a hard time gauging what is viewable. All right, so we got that lapis lazuli charm. Let's go in a little bit. There we go. So what are these? These are those twisty charms? These are the ones I was seeing through the organza bag, and I'm like, I don't know what I'm looking at. Oh, weird. Oh, these are really interesting. Oh, I dropped one. Pick it up later. Hopefully I don't step on it, because that's going to hurt if I step on it. Sorry, I am so random. It's a twisted metal. It's a twisted metal that it's been tied in a knot and soldered. Is that what I'm seeing, or is this interesting? I mean, these would be really cute for like somebody's like anniversary or birthday or Christmas. Some kind of holiday or event that gifts are involved. This would be really cute on a, not just jewelry, but maybe like on a package you wrapped and you want some beautiful dangles because you just love the presentation. Oh, these are cool. That's not, I have to be honest, I would not typically see this on a website, a bead site, and be like, oh, I'm going to buy that, because I'd just be, I don't know, not my typical thing. But with this bead box, Beads Venture Charming Venture box, if I can get it, if I can say it right, it's interesting because it challenges my brain. I just actually need to start using it. Oh, look at all these connectors. Oh my gosh, these are cool. These are really cool. What are these? These are neat. They're dangles. They're not connectors. What are these? Twisted stick charms. That's got to be. These are the $4.99 value. Silver. Can you hear that? Like, I mean, if I, it's really beautiful sounding, and they're cold. Get a bunch of them. Little dangles. Like, ooh. I love doing repetition and like overboard repetition. This would be perfect. Just like overboard repetition. Okay, I'm gonna put that over here. All right, next thingy. Next, oh, these would not be my typical thing that I would buy, but I think they're pretty. It's got a little funky in here, a little funky, a little metal slag. I could throw that away. All right, so we got these moon charms or pendants, and they got beautiful blue rhinestones in there, and the back is really beautiful. Everything's set nice in the stone. The stones all seem to be there. They don't seem like they're out of place or weird. Oh great, my phone's ringing. Okay, phone call and every outside noises. There's an empty bag in here. But the bag is different. It's got a red line on it, and these all have the, I don't know if that's just a boo-boo. Anyways, all right, so let's get going back. Oh, I think I have some of these I got from their mystery box. I guess I did an unboxing for some of that. It was so much stuff. It was just ridiculous. I couldn't unbox it all. I right now have 4 boxes full of charms and pendants that I got for like ridiculously cheap. So these are whales, little pendants, and the back is nice. They have a little eye. It's not my typical thing either. Like so far, this is this and the twisty things are my deal, but we'll figure it out. Oh, is this that sterling silver turquoise charm? This is a little tiny charm, but it's gorgeous. If I can get it open. There we go. Sterling silver, huh? I keep getting off camera. Sorry about that. It makes me think of a pencil, like a colored pencil tip. I feel like I could just start drawing with it. It's really gorgeous. That's such a, I don't know if that's real turquoise. It doesn't quite look like it, but it's possible. If it was, I think it'd be way more expensive though. So this is that $8.99 connector, the gold vermeil connector. Looks like it's got a garnet color in it. Where's my light? Oh, there it is. Can you there we go. Now you can see what's going on there. There. Yeah, it's like a really deep garnet stone or glass. Really beautiful faceting. Yeah. That's pretty cool. I like that. I've got some more of these similar connectors from my other boxes, and I need to do something with them. These are gorgeous. Oh, these even have a gorgeous bezel on them. These are different. You got the prong set into a beautiful silver bezel. And this is this dark? Is this translucent? Let's see. No, not translucent. It's an opaque black stone or glass. It's black. And so you can see how big it is in relation to my fingernail. All right, we're getting down to the nitty gritty. Taking me longer than I was hoping, but that's all right. Alrighty, oh, whoa. What the heck? I've never seen anything like this. What am I looking at? Oh my gosh, I love this. those rhinestones. What are these? What is this? Okay. Unicorn charms, bezel charms. Silver plated brass pin. Maybe it's a. But it says CZ. This. I don't know what this is. I love it. Do you see the? I wish I could get it to focus. Can you see those rhinestones? They're really beautifully set. And there's rhinestones all into here. And the back is gorgeous. Gosh, I wish I had more of these. Oh, wow. I'm not bluffing. I usually don't like sparkly stuff, like this kind of sparkly stuff, but I'm digging this. I'm like getting lost in it, just looking at the sparkle. I don't know if it's showing up on the cameras as much as it is in person. Oh man, that is gorgeous. Oh, here's the unicorn charms. I was like, what are those? Oh, right. Man, there's a ton of stuff in this. Oh my, quit sticking to me. All right, so we got 5 unicorn charms. Oh, wow. Ooh. Do you see the front and back? There's a back on both of that. There's a front. Everything is so clean, like those. The pressing is. There's no weird edges in the side. It's all clean. These are really well-made charms. I've been really happy with the quality of their items, because a lot of times with charms and stuff, metal can be weird and people don't. Whoever's manufacturing them is just doing it to make a buck, I think. Oh my goodness! Can you guys see all those stones in there? Oh my gosh, those are look how tiny those stones are. Black and then clear CZ. This is gold, but I even like the back. I know I keep saying that. Oh wow, I wish I had more of these. What is this? Is this the gold-plated brass connector? I guess so. Ooh, so it's like a $4.99 value. Man, guys, I just don't know if that's showing up on camera, all that detail. Oh, maybe that helps a little bit. Do you see all that spark? Everything is set in there just right. That is amazing. That is really good work. It's not crappy. I hate to use that word crappy, but sometimes you see rhinestone stuff and it's just not set right. And it's like, oh man, that's a bummer. But these are great. I am not just saying that. All right, so let's get some of these back out here. Okay, so this isn't all of them. I just kind of laid stuff out so it's easier to see. But you get the freebie, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I do have all my items. So that empty bag was just a fluke in there. So we got that checked. So yeah, that's the Beads Charming Venture box for the month of May 2022. Hope you're doing good. I hope you're having a lot of fun with your creative life, and I hope your health is good. I hope your family and loved ones are all good. And I think I say that all the time, but I truly mean it. And I honestly appreciate your support, even though I'm not the most regular person, or I'm not the most professional. I kind of just do things my way. And I appreciate you supporting that, because that makes me feel loved and cared for, and I truly appreciate it. I really do. And I know sometimes I don't reply to comments, and it's not you, it's me, it's my anxiety. I keep trying to get around to it, but it's like, you know, the low self-esteem, and you know, you could go on and on about it, but I'm working on it. I'm working. It's not easy putting myself out here, but it's part of like me working on myself, but also staying connected to people while I'm not doing that great, and I'm at home and other people are, and you know, just how things are, you know, in the world, well, especially in the USA sometimes. USA, because I'm from USA. I'm rambling. Love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for being a beautiful person, and I hope you have a beautiful day. And if you buy anything from Bead's Venture, I'd love to know about it. I'd love to know what your experience is like. Because so far I've only bought the subscription box. I haven't actually bought other subscriptions or beads or items from their website. So I'd love to hear, because right now I can't just buy stuff. And that's okay, because I got tons of beads and stuff that I need to use. And I have a cat staring at me that might want her afternoon gravy treat. Yeah. Okay. I'm rambling. I need to cut all that out. Have a beautiful day. Stay creative. Stay happy. If you feel like joining my Deani Adorn Beads Facebook group, I'll put the little thing here. I can also put links and stuff at the bottom below. Yeah, I'd love to have you. I'm working on having a more presence. I'm working on doing more jewelry and trying to come up with, oh gosh, I'm rambling, I'm sorry. I do this in every video. I'm trying to come up with like tutorials for things you don't typically see all the time on YouTube, or something a little different. I don't want to just regurgitate the same stuff. I have like over here, I have like boxes of Bargain Bead Box and Sam's Bead Box that are not even opened. It's ridiculous. And I should do a video I really want to do a video where I like open all these unopened subscription things and like just make some insane piece of jewelry. Just like go bananas. I might do it just to have fun and just to goof around, because you know, we should have fun. I'm sorry I'm rambling. Love you guys. Have fun. Stay cool. Don't drool. Stay in school. Because you rule. And cats are awesome. So are dogs and ferrets and all those critters. Because I have one staring at me. All right. Bye-bye, guys.